What if I told you that nature can create glowing oceans, underwater ice monsters, and storms so powerful they produce lightning almost every night of the year? These are not special effects, movie scenes, or digital creations. They are real natural phenomena that exist on Earth right now. From mysterious circles of ice spinning on rivers to beaches that shine like stars, here are 10 natural phenomena that look completely impossible. Frost flowers. At first glance, these delicate formations look like flowers made by an artist using thin sheets of glass. But they are entirely natural. Frost flowers form when extremely cold air meets relatively warm sea ice. As moisture rises from tiny cracks in the ice, it instantly freezes into intricate crystalline structures. The result is a field of fragile ice formations that resemble blooming flowers stretching across frozen landscapes. They are usually found in polar regions and can disappear with the slightest change in weather conditions. Scientists study frost flowers because they can influence the chemistry of the atmosphere and help us better understand polar environments. Although they appear gentle and beautiful, they are a reminder of how complex and surprising even the coldest places on Earth can be. Ice circles. Imagine walking beside a river and discovering a giant disk of ice slowly spinning by itself. It sounds like something from a fantasy story, but it happens in real life. Ice circles form when chunks of ice become trapped in slow-moving river currents. Over time, the rotating water gradually shapes the ice into nearly perfect circles. Some ice circles can reach several meters in diameter, while others have grown large enough to attract international attention. The smooth edges and constant rotation make them appear almost artificial. For many people seeing one for the first time, the natural explanation feels less believable than a supernatural one. Yet these spinning frozen disks are simply the result of physics working in a very unusual way. Sun dogs. Seeing one sun in the sky is normal. Seeing 3 suns can be a little alarming. Sun dogs are bright spots of light that appear on either side of the sun under specific atmospheric conditions. They are created when sunlight passes through millions of tiny ice crystals suspended high in the atmosphere. The crystals bend the light and create the illusion of additional suns glowing in the sky. Throughout history, sun dogs have inspired myths, legends, and even panic among people who did not understand what they were seeing. Ancient armies sometimes interpreted them as supernatural signs before important battles. Today, we understand the science behind them, but that does not make them any less impressive. When conditions are perfect, the sky can appear to contain multiple suns shining at once. Clouds. Most clouds have soft and familiar shapes. Clouds look completely different. Instead of forming flat layers or fluffy clusters, they create hundreds of rounded pouches hanging beneath a cloud base. The effect is both beautiful and unsettling. Many people associate these clouds with severe storms because they often appear after intense weather events. The strange formations develop when sinking cold air interacts with warmer air below. The resulting patterns create one of the most dramatic cloud displays found anywhere on Earth. Photographers and storm chasers travel great distances hoping to witness them. Looking up at a sky filled with clouds can feel like staring at an alien atmosphere rather than Earth's own sky. Lenticular clouds. If you have ever seen a photograph that looked like a giant flying saucer hovering above a mountain, there is a good chance it was actually a lenticular cloud. These smooth, lens-shaped clouds form when strong winds move across mountains and create standing waves in the atmosphere. Moist air rises and cools within these waves, forming clouds with remarkably precise shapes. Unlike most clouds, lenticular clouds often remain stationary even while powerful winds move through them. Their appearance is so unusual that they are frequently mistaken for unidentified flying objects. Reports of UFO sightings have often been linked to these clouds. Nature has accidentally created one of the most convincing flying saucer illusions imaginable. A fire rainbow. Despite the name, fire rainbows are not made of fire, and they are not actually rainbows. They are a rare atmospheric phenomenon known as an arc. These colorful bands appear when sunlight passes through ice crystals in high-altitude clouds at a very specific angle. The result is a brilliant spectrum of colors that can stretch across the sky like a glowing brushstroke. Because the required conditions are so precise, many people never see one in their entire lives. The colors can be so intense that photographs often look digitally enhanced. Yet no editing is necessary. The atmosphere itself is responsible for creating one of the most vivid natural displays on Earth. A volcanic lightning. Volcanoes are already among the most powerful forces in nature. Now imagine adding lightning to the eruption. Volcanic lightning occurs when ash particles, rock fragments, and gases collide inside an eruption plume. These collisions generate electrical charges that eventually discharge as lightning bolts. The result is a terrifying combination of fire, ash, smoke, and electricity. Some of the most spectacular examples have been recorded during major eruptions around the world. The sight of lightning flashing through a towering volcanic cloud feels almost apocalyptic. For centuries, people witnessing such events often believed they were seeing signs of divine anger or the end of the world. Modern science has explained the process, but the visual impact remains extraordinary. Bioluminescent beaches. Imagine walking along a beach at night and watching every wave glow electric blue. It sounds like science fiction, but it is completely real. Bioluminescent beaches occur when microscopic marine organisms produce light through chemical reactions inside their bodies. When the water is disturbed by waves, fish, or even footsteps near the shoreline, thousands of tiny flashes combine into a glowing display. Entire coastlines can appear illuminated by blue fire. Some of the most famous examples can be found in tropical regions around the world. The phenomenon is so beautiful that many visitors describe it as one of the most unforgettable experiences of their lives. It is a reminder that even the ocean still contains wonders that seem impossible. Brinicles, deep beneath polar sea ice, one of the strangest phenomena on Earth quietly takes shape. It is called a brinicle, sometimes referred to as an underwater ice finger of death. A brinicle forms when extremely cold, salty water sinks from sea ice into the ocean below. As the freezing water descends, it creates a tube of ice that grows downward toward the anything slow-moving that becomes trapped in its path can be frozen. The process looks like an icy waterfall hanging upside down beneath the ocean. For years, very few people had ever witnessed a brinicle forming because of the extreme conditions required to observe one. Even today, footage of brinicles appears more like a scene from another planet than a natural process occurring on Earth. Lightning. And finally, the natural phenomenon that may be the closest thing Earth has to a permanent lightning storm. Welcome to lightning. Located near Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, this extraordinary weather event produces lightning on an astonishing number of nights each year. Storms can generate thousands of lightning strikes during a single night. The combination of surrounding mountains, warm air, humidity, and unique atmospheric conditions creates a nearly perfect environment for continuous electrical activity. For centuries, sailors used the distant flashes as a natural lighthouse visible from great distances. The sky can remain illuminated for hours as lightning repeatedly tears through the darkness. Scientists continue studying the region to better understand why the phenomenon is so persistent. Few places on Earth demonstrate the raw power of nature more dramatically. From frozen flowers and spinning ice disks to glowing oceans and endless lightning storms, our planet continues to produce phenomena that challenge imagination itself. Nature does not need special effects. It has already created wonders far stranger than fiction. If you enjoyed this journey through some of Earth's most impossible natural phenomena, make sure to subscribe for more incredible discoveries from around the world. And until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary hidden within the ordinary.